Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal mirror and we're going to be making a glam picture frame. So what you're going to need, you'll need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. You'll need some white pearlized beads, and these are also from Efavormart. And you'll need some crystal clear Angel's Tears pendants, and these are also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to also need is some Bling Wrap, and this Bling Wrap is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need one of these little stands, and this is just like a little picture frame stand. So you need that from Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of these glass candle holder plates. You're going to need a round mirror. And you'll also need a picture frame of your size and color choice. I'm using silver for my project. If you can't find a silver frame at Dollar Tree, you can always just buy a frame and paint it with some silver craft paint, which is what I've done here. From Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these two projects turn out absolutely beautifully, and they were so easy to make? Let me know in the comments section which of the two you prefer and which room you think you would be using projects like this in your home. I think they look really great in a bathroom, a vanity, or even in a bedroom. But just let me know in the comment section which you prefer. And let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.